Hi there. Today I'm going to share with you about Dualless. It is a Chrome extension that allows you to have a split screen on your computer, and it's just a really easy split screen to work with. And I think that it's helpful for kids who maybe need to have multiple things going, but it's hard to switch between tabs. So you can go into Google and search for Dualless. It's Dualless. And it will come up in your search. It'll take you to the Chrome Web Store, where it's an extension that you can add to your Chrome toolbar. Okay, and so I've already added it, but this right here would give you the option to add it to Chrome. Okay, so you would click that, you would add it to Chrome, and then it would come up here to your toolbar so that you can use it whenever you need to. So right here's mine, that's what it looks like. Okay, and so it's really handy when, say, you have two things open that maybe I'm typing in one document and I'm looking for reference from another document, and I want to create that into a split screen so that I can see both things at the same time. So what I'm going to do is open one of my documents that I want, and I'm going to click on this Dualless icon, and now I can choose. Like if I want one of my documents to be small and the other one to be fairly large, I can maybe choose a 3:7. That's a little bit tricky to work with because that makes it really tiny. I kind of like the 4:6. It makes this one a little tinier, but there's a 50-50 split. There's all sorts of things to choose from here. So I'm going to say the document that I'm currently on will be what's highlighted in yellow. So maybe I want this document a little bit larger. I'm going to go with this one. So I'm going to click on this side to make this my large document, and then it will give me, now I might have to finagle around, but I had both of those things open. But, so here's the document that I'm looking at, and then here's maybe the document that I'm typing into. So, and if I decide, okay, that's not really working for me, I'd really like this one on this side, I can play around with that. So if I go into the Dualless icon on this screen, it will let me choose. Maybe I want to flip it to this side. So I'm gonna click this one instead, and it will make this my small screen and the other one the big one. Okay, or maybe I want to just have it be 50-50. Okay, but I still want this document on this side, so I'll click here, and it gives it to me 50-50. If I want to maybe mess around with this one, I have to go with the Dualless on this side. I could say, okay, this document, I want to have this one be the small one, or this one be the big one on the other side. I can just play around. I can move them around until I'm happy, okay, which is really cool. It's just a really easy way to do it. So another way that I like to use this is for students. If I've created a read aloud for them, so say they're taking maybe a test in one screen, and then I've created a video where I'm reading that test aloud to them. This is just a nice way to pull it up so that they can listen to my video on one side and then have the test open and be answering as they are hearing me read it to them. So that's a really cool tool to allow students to just do that really easily. So, and then when I'm done with it, all I do is I come back up and I maximize my screen again, and I can just have back one screen. So I hope you found this helpful, and I look forward to sharing more with you. Thanks.